Hey, man.
How are you doing?
I'm not doing so good, man. I can't believe it.
What, that you can hear a blue whale's heartbeat 2 miles away?
No.
That 1 in 3 divorce filings involve the word Facebook?
No.
Then is it that Charles Darwin's turtle didn't die until 2006?
No. It's that I forgot the hat on my Y and I lost 4 points on my stats exam.
Grego, 15 minutes can save you 15% or more on your stats test.
One of the biggest issues that high schoolers face today is lack of sleep, combined with their supposed astronomical load of homework.
So, are these two related? For our project, we decided to gather data to test any association between the two variables.
We will ask every third person in the cafeteria 2 questions.
We will ask them how many hours of sleep they get on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. We will also ask them the amount of classes they are taking, homework, their mother's weight, social security number, household.
We interrupt this program to bring you breaking news. In a last-minute rash decision, Nevada has decided to change its voting policy for the 2020 election. Now, instead of the normal just tap to select the candidate you wish to vote for, they have added in a new calculus circuit for their voting. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after a close election, the results are in, and thanks to a very weird and close outlier in the state of Nevada, Kanye West is now the president of the United States. We thank you for your time. Have a good night.
On second thought, let's just keep it simple. We're just going to ask for average hours of homework and hours of sleep. Hey Colin, how many hours?
2.
Hey doggy, how many hours of sleep do you get? How many hours?
Alright, we finished collecting our data and made a scatter plot to organize it. Here are our results.
As you can see, the data is a random scatter. However, we have a couple outliers that can be removed to make the data approximately linear.
We removed potential outliers and tried linear regression again, but it didn't change a lot. The data was still really far from the line and our R-squared value was still really low. The R-squared value was only 0.02, which showed that only 2% of the data corresponded to a linear relationship. So our final option was to re-express the data. We tried multiple different re-expressions and guess what? It did absolutely nothing. In summary, this shows that sleep and homework are not actually correlated. So you can assign as much homework as you want to your students and they'll only get like 2 hours of sleep. So do what you want with this information.